got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Perfect.
Six Sundown SA12s on the SOLIX here. Oh yeah. 16 crossfire or 16 mid PRV, bass and mid bass mix. DS18 highs, all run on 2 crossfire 4-channel amps.
Plenty of here.
Oh yeah.
We got a lot of here.
Everybody know my name, ringing bells. Nigga must have lesson with me and the
Let them know what I can find you on social media anywhere.
No, I don't have anything.
You built everything yourself.
Yeah.
Man, it's a small space to make something work.
Yep, and I had my friend helping me because he's smaller. Can you stuff?
Let him do it, want it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Man, it's good seeing you, man.
All right, brother.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can leave it open.
All right, I'll get my car. All right, hey, put the video on YouTube, man.
All right, appreciate it.
Appreciate it, man. What are you doing?
right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.